Welcome. Today I am with XIAOMI Redmi 9AT, and today I will show you how you can disable quick launch. I'm talking about this feature. So we have to go for the settings on our smartphone, find additional settings, go for the button shortcuts, find the option that is linked to the power key. In this case, there we got the launch camera. We can also use any other things. Go here and then click to none. Right now when you select the last option and when you quickly double press power key, this option it will be not activated anymore. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.